Today is May 24, and today the topic that I was studying for the alternative program that I am doing was the theme of the comparatives. And today I see the five rules for do the comparatives. The first rule was the determination er, and this termination is used. This term is used when we are doing a comparative of a word short. For example, the word small. Um, uh, the word small is very used in the English, and if we can if we want to use for make a comparative, we need finish the word small with an I and and an R. For example, Ecuador is smaller than Brazil is the first example. Other rule is when we have an adjective that finish in with the letter e. Uh, we this is the second rule. Uh, with the letter e, we uh, we use we only add to the word the letter r. For example, a limousine is larger than a Mini Cooper. The third rule is the third rule is when the adjective finish in the letter z. We change this letter for the termination I e I er. For example, for me, English is easier than math. It's a good example. The word easy and also is one of the most used compared in English. Easier. For me, English is easier than math. Other example is the rule number 4. When the adjective finish in consonant plus vowel plus consonant, we uh, we we write the last consonant two times, and also we agreed e and r. For example, Jupiter is bigger than ear. It's an example. The rule number 5: when the word is have three syllables, we add the word more before the adjective. For example, this car is more expensive than this car. And the last, a flower is more beautiful than a gun. These are the 5 rules for the comparatives. And morning I'm going to do about 40 examples of the comparatives. And other thing is the irregular adjective, because in English does exist uh, irregular adjective. For example, good, the irregular is better. The the other the adjective converts in other word in the word better, or bad converting the word worse when we are doing a comparative, and the word far it become in other in the word farther. And this is a few examples for do the comparative in English. Morning I'm going to do 40 example uh, of this topic of comparative words. Morning, not today, morning, because in my alternative program I only need see 2 topics every week. Is the plan, at least. Thank you. It's all.